What's up guys, this is Sean Heather and today we are going to do a gaming review of Honor 9s, a smartphone. We will play a few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on this device and we will see how much capable it is on running them. It comes with MediaTek Helio P22 processor, 2GB RAM, Android 10 OS, 5.45-inch HD Plus screen, and the GPU we got is PowerVR GE8320. We will also monitor the battery performance and whether we are going to face any heating issue or not. So these are the games we got today here on our Honor 9s. Right now battery temperature is 100. We will use the performance mode to get the best performance from the device. And right now CPU temperature is 34 and battery is at 30. So let's play these games and let's see how good is the performance of Honor 9s. So first of all, let's just start with Call of Duty. So the maximum possible graphics setting is low and the medium frame rate is selected by default by the game itself. I'm going to try to switch to high and we will see how good it's going to be. I cannot make any changes to the graphics quality because since this is a budget smartphone, Call of Duty Mobile has selected the low graphics quality for the gameplay. And now let's play the game. So this is the maximum volume. So it's looking quite smooth. The graphics quality is obviously not great, as you can see, but the gameplay is quite smooth for sure here. The graphics quality, if you have a look on this part, you can see when I'm zooming in, then it's getting pixelated. This part you can see, so but the gameplay is very smooth. No frame drops or lagging is happening as well. Okay, there was a bit of lag here. And here I am dead once again. Just before dying there was slight lagging kind of thing. The frame was stuck for we can say for a millisecond. But if you're talking about the frame rate here, you can see it's very smooth. And the graphics quality is okay as well, considering the point that we are playing this game on a very cheap budget Android smartphone. So it seems quite good. You will be able to play Call of Duty Mobile for sure on this device. It's just that you won't get great graphics quality and you will get slight lagging now and then as well. So let's leave it here. Close it. let's have a look on the battery status. So battery is at 99%, CPU is at 37 degrees Celsius, and battery temperature is 34. So let's close all of them, and now let's play PUBG Mobile. So if you go to the game setting here and then to the graphics, you can see frame rate is selected as medium. That's the highest possible frame rate. The graphics quality I can select is balanced. If I try HD, it is not available, as you can see. So this is the maximum possible graphic setting, balanced and medium as the frame rate. So let's play the game and let's see how good is the performance of Honor 9s while playing PUBG Mobile. Okay, so the game is started because players were speaking, but my screen was still stuck at one point. And here you can see it's lagging. Even when I'm changing the camera angles, it's not smooth. If you talk about the graphics quality, it's still looking good. If you have a look on the costume, the shoulder pads, it's quite nice, but the surrounding area, most of them are pixelated and blurry, except the spot where the player was standing. So slight lagging is happening nearly constantly in every frame, everywhere. And you can see that the graphics quality is not so great. If you have a look on the stone here and how the stone is merging with the ground, it's not that great. Even though we have selected the medium graphics quality, or was it balanced, I think that was the name. Also when I'm changing the camera angles, it's slightly lagging, but you can play the game. I think if you reduce the graphics quality 1 point down, then you will be able to play it smoothly compared to what I'm getting here. So not so much action is happening here. I'm just trying to give you an idea about the gameplay and how good it will be if you are playing PUBG Mobile on Honor 9s. And it's looking smooth enough. Obviously graphics quality is not great. Okay, someone is firing at me. Let's try to find out. So I guess I'm just gonna leave it here because As you can see, there's nothing much happening at this particular spot, but I think you should be getting the idea about the gameplay and everything, that how good it's going to be if you play PUBG Mobile on Honor 9s. The graphics quality is not so great, but the gameplay is still okay, smooth enough, but sometimes it's lagging and sometimes it's lagging a lot, like frame drops kind of things are happening. But I guess if you reduce the graphics quality one level down, then it will be better. So I'm just gonna leave it here and close it as well. Let's have a look on the battery status. So CPU is at 42, battery is at 37, both of them are increased a bit, and the percentage is moved to 97 now. So now let's play Asphalt 9. Still there is not heating, we can say. Battery is still at 37. It's not a big deal, because on high-end smartphones the temperature goes as high as around 48, 50 sometimes. So here in the graphics quality of Asphalt 9, you can see we have selected high graphics quality, and now let's play the game and let's see how good it's going to be. The graphics quality is looking quite nice, but once again slight lagging is happening. And you can see one frame drop happened when my car hit the another one. But the sensors are working quite fine, responding to my touches, also responding to all of my changes in the direction. But sometimes it's lagging a bit, for example right now as well. And here I crashed. So you will be able to play the game for sure. The graphics quality seemed nice here as well, but multiple times there was lagging and also frame drops happened as well, especially when I collided with another car. If you play the game with low graphics quality, then I guess there will be no lagging or frame drop. Let's go back from here. Let's have a look on the battery status. So once again, the battery is increased at 39 now, and battery percentage is 95, and the device is now slightly warm, so it's nearly at 40 degrees Celsius. And now in this part I can feel that it's warm for sure, but it's not too hot, it's just slightly warm. The sensation you can get that the device is getting hot. And after playing all of these games for like 20 minutes, the battery percentage moved from 100 to 95. So the battery performance seems good for sure, because we are playing all of these games on the low graphics quality. The processor itself is not that much resource hungry as well. And now I'm going to check the memory management. So the Asphalt 9 is still running in the background, as you can see here, and I'm going to launch these two games now, and we will see can we run them side by side or not, or any of these are going to be force closed. So I'm going to start with Call of Duty Mobile first. So when I started Call of Duty Mobile and reached on this screen and tapped on a start button to start playing the game, it got stuck. As you can see here, I cannot do anything right now. It's like this since last 1 minute. I'm not able to play anything or do anything on this screen. Let's go back from here to Asphalt 9. Let's see whether it is still running or not. It is force closed. So Asphalt 9 is getting started once again. If I go back from here, let's see Call of Duty Mobile, and this time it's gone totally black. So I'm just gonna close these two, run Call of Duty one more time, and then I will run Asphalt 9 after that. So now Call of Duty Mobile is started. I'm just gonna leave it here and try to play Asphalt 9 now. Just leave it here and launch the Asphalt 9. So now the Asphalt 9 is started on the Honor 9s here, as you can see, and now I'm going to return back to the Call of Duty Mobile. So I'm just gonna leave it here, go to Call of Duty Mobile, and you can see it's force close and it's starting fresh. If I go back to Asphalt 9, it's there. So you won't be able to play more than a game at a time because it comes with just 2 GB RAM, and as we have seen in the unboxing video, 1 GB is nearly preoccupied most of the time. But the good part is that even though it's a cheap budget smartphone, it can play Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile, Asphalt 9 as well. And if you go with the lower graphics quality, then the gameplay will be very smooth. Once again, right now I'm playing this on the high graphics quality and it's still playable, especially the performance of sensors and everything is so good. And if you want to play PUBG Mobile, then I will suggest to go with the light version instead of the main version that I used in this video here for the testing purpose, because in the low graphics quality of PUBG Mobile Lite you will be able to play the game without any lagging or frame drop easily, I guess. And in terms of battery performance as well, the performance seems quite good. We played all of these high-end heavy graphics game for like 20 minutes on the performance mode enabled, and then after that the battery percentage moved from 100 to 95. Right now it's at 93. There's not much heating issue too. This is the maximum battery temperature we got so far, 40 degrees Celsius. And yes, here in this part it is slight warm, but it's not hot or something. You can easily hold the device and you can keep playing it. Just a slight warm sensation here. So considering the price we are going to pay for this device and the price segment under which it comes, the gaming performance is still good enough and acceptable. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. Have a nice day.